Good morning, class. I hope you all are well, staying at homes, staying safe. Okay, today we will do our classwork from English language. Today we will study English language. Today's date is 14/7/2020. Lesson number 6, singular and plural. Okay, today we will study English language. Okay, there are two types of number in English. How many types of number are there in English? जैसे मैथ्स में तो बहुत सारे होते, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, पर इंग्लिश में कितने तरह के नंबर होते हैं? There are only two types of number. Number one is the singular and the second one is the plural, right? What does singular means? Singular denotes one. Singular का क्या मतलब होता है? Singular का मतलब होता है one. Plural का मतलब क्या होता है? More than one. Means एक से ज़्यादा. Plural denotes more than one. Means more than ये one है और ये इससे ज़्यादा हो गया. That means more than one. Okay, like this is one pen, right? Class, this is one pen. This is one pen means singular. Two pens, this means plural, right? Okay, we will go through some examples. Okay, class, we will go through some examples. For example, singular means one, plural means many. Pen become pens. पेन का एक पेन है तो सिर्फ पेन रहेगा, और अगर दो पेन हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? पेन्स. बुक बिकम बुक्स, राइट? बुक बिकम बुक्स. सी, this is one book, right? And now this become books. I have two books, more than one, so it becomes book. It becomes books. Okay, now ball become balls, box become boxes, mango become mangoes, mouse become mice, thief become thieves, sheep become sheep, lamb become lamb. See, in these three we have added s, in these two we have added es. इसका डिफरेंस हो गया, माउस से माइस बन गया, थीव्स es, और शीप का शीप ही रहता है, लैम्ब का लैम्ब ही रहता है. वी मेक प्लूरल्स बाय पुटिंग एस. प्लूरल्स हम कैसे बनाते हैं? बाय पुटिंग एस at the end of the naming word. Book, pen, ball, box, they all are naming word. What is a naming word? Naming word are noun. Noun का मतलब होता है naming word. But जो है some naming word, कुछ nouns जो है es लगाने के बाद जो है plurals बनते हैं. चलो कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हम देखते हैं. ओके, सी, ये है जिसमें ऐड हम करेंगे एस सिंगुलर में. पेन बिकम पेन्स, बुक बिकम बुक्स, टॉय बिकम टॉयज, मंकी बिकम मंकीज, काउ बिकम काउस, बॉय बिकम बॉयज, girl become girls, day become days, photo become photos. Now we will add es. Now What we will add? We will add es. We make plurals by putting s at the end of the naming word, but some words take es to make plurals. कुछ words naming word mean noun, कुछ word noun के आगे s लगते हैं तो प्यूरल बनते हैं, और अब कुछ words noun के आगे es लगा के प्यूरल्स बनाएंगे. What are they? Box become boxes, glass become glasses, mango become mangoes, tomato become tomatoes, watch become watches, match become matches, branch become branches, class become classes, brush become brushes, potato become potatoes. Now we will study some more ways of making plurals. Okay, man become men, woman become woman, tooth become teeth, goose become geese, child become children, foot become feet, mouse become mice, ox become oxen. And now some more plurals. You will see ये change ही नहीं होता. Sheep become sheep, lamb become lambs. Okay, I hope you all have understood. This is your class work. Date is 14 July 2020. English language lesson number 6. This work you have to do it in your copy. I am going to read it. Exercise 1. Singular means one, plural means many. Ball become balls, monkey become monkeys, glass become glasses, box become boxes, man become men, woman become woman, tooth become teeth, goose become geese, sheep become sheep, and lamb become lambs. Okay, class, your homework is match the exercise B in your book. Page number 24 from the lesson number 6. Okay, class, this is your homework. Okay, class, you have to do this exercise in your book. Okay, class, मैं फिर से हमेशा बोलती हूँ, फिर भी बोलूँगी, ये पार्ट आपको कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे क्लास. थैंक यू.